We're at 3801 North 12th Avenue. This is in Pensacola on 12th Avenue, just down the street from the famous oak trees that you can see canopy the street. This is a corner lot. Heading inside, we'll go in through the main front door here. We have the original wood door here. It's a beautiful door. Entering into our large foyer here. To our left, we have a master suite, bedroom and bathroom, and then also a guest bedroom as well. To the right, we have the living areas. Through these French doors, we have an entry. This home is built for multiple families. So we have a sunroom type area here. Then you can see two other doors and then our door to our backyard. We'll come back to that though. First up, we're gonna go down this short hallway off the foyer. Here is guest bedroom number 1. So this sits on the front side of the home. Nice good sized room, could be an office, a nursery, kids room. Tile flooring throughout this bedroom here. Then here is master suite number 1. So this is on the far left side of the home. Very good sized bedroom here. We've got walk-in closet, attached ensuite as well. And then we have carpeting for this bedroom. Going to the ensuite here, we have nice big vanity. Behind the door, we have our tub shower combo, and then we have our commode. Going back out now, we'll go to the master walk-in closet. Here is that closet space, wraps all the way around. Plenty of storage space here. Next up, we'll go to the storage room, or it could be an extra office space. We've got plenty of storage shelves here. Through this door, we have our laundry room. This is laundry room number 2 of the home. There are 2 laundry rooms, so it is fully set up for 2 separate families with a mother-in-law suite and then the main living areas. So here is that laundry area. Through this door here, we have that sunroom that we saw earlier. If we wanted to, we could go out to the backyard from this room here as well. We'll pop out here real quick. Backyard is fully enclosed. We do have a 2-car carport as well. You can see our driveway. The driveway is hidden on the back side of the home, so you don't see it from the front, but it is there. Heading back inside now. Back into this sunroom here. We're gonna go back the exact same way that we came, so back through this laundry area and back through the storage room, down the short hallway, and we are back at the main door. Now, to the right of the front door, we have our living area. We have big windows looking to our front porch, laminate flooring throughout here. We've got original bookcases and fireplace insert. And then we have our archway to our main living area, the kitchen and the dining area. Continuing on, here is that breakfast nook area and dining area. We can see our kitchen as well. So this is on the far right side of the home. Now we do have another exterior door here. This goes to a separate sunroom. So this is sunroom number 2. And then we also have a walkway to our backyard. So this is on the far back right-hand side. Heading back inside, you can see we have some built-in cabinet space. And then we'll show you our kitchen. So we've got the sink in the middle here. This dining room does have original corner bookshelves as well. And then here is that kitchen space. We've got cooktop, dishwasher, refrigerator, and microwave all included. Then to the left, we have more cabinetry and a pantry. Now moving on through here, we come to an addition which has been converted into a mother-in-law suite type of setup. So we have a separate living area with skylights here. It has its own entry and exit to the backyard. Original chimenea, it is in working order. Through those sliding doors there, we have our second set of laundry connections. And then tile flooring throughout here. Next up, we'll go to the bedroom. So this is bedroom number 3 of the home. So you can see our backyard that we were in a little bit ago. Carpeting throughout this bedroom here as well. Lots of good natural lighting. Then we have a walk-in closet and attached ensuite. So here is that walk-in closet. Goes on both sides here. We do have a pocket door into the ensuite, but we're gonna take the main entry. So coming back out here, and then here is that bathroom. So we have a tub shower combo, nice good size vanity here as well. Coming back out, back into this secondary living area. We'll go back through the kitchen now, and we'll show you the final bedroom and bathroom. Now we are at that breakfast nook or dining area here. You can see our archway to our main living area. Turning here, we've come to a small corridor, and then here is our third and final bathroom. Nice good tub shower combo in here as well. And then we also have the bedroom right next to it. Original bookshelves or drawer pull-outs are part of the closet system in here. And then we do have French doors into that sunroom that we saw earlier. So if we go through these doors here, we would come to that sunroom again. Now, heading back into the main living areas of the home now. What we'll do is we'll go through the kitchen here, and then we'll take you to the back exit through this living room. Going all the way through here. So we are on the back side of the home now. So we're walking down a small ramp here. You can see our carport to our right. Backyard is entirely fenced in. It does have solar panels on the home as well, so great for energy efficiency. And then here is that carport. Now, if we walked around this ramp here from the exit that we took, we would come to that back sunroom with those back steps. But again, the entire property is fully fenced in and enclosed. Great for kids and families and gatherings. Again, this is 3801 North 12th Avenue, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.